I've got to give it up. I've got to give it up.
Here we are on tonight's ride. I'm just going to ride around the city centre today. I don't know how far, maybe 10 miles. Bring you back in a minute when there's something more interesting to see.
Love is when you feel good for someone. You love them more like anyone else. You just think they're the greatest people on the earth.
This used to be Staples, believe it or not. Getting popular in this car park. There's always people up here now. It's farther side today, look. Okay, here we are at the train station. We've just come down the side now. I'm going to wait and see if we can catch a train coming through. Might do, might not. On the old MaxLight today. Bring you back in a minute when I see something coming past, hopefully.